Hello folks, in this video, some exciting things, very exciting things are just around the corner and they are getting ready to happen. And we want you to be a part of what we've got going on. I tell you what, work at home has never been this good. We'll talk about all this on the inside of the video. Hey folks, Timothy Thomas here, guys, your work at home partner, and very excited. You're a friend in work at home opportunities. And I tell you what, people, great things are happening. If you can put forth a little effort, you can change your life forever. I mean, great things are happening all around. We've got opportunities, guys, to improve people's lives. Number one, we want to show people how to improve the quality of their lives by adding more value. And that's what we ought to do every day in our lives, showing value, integrity. When you show honesty, transparency, people will resonate with you and they will begin to partner with you over and over and over again. We're going to go through some numbers here in some of the programs that we're marketing today. And full disclaimer, income disclaimer, nothing in life happens until you take action. And you do it over and over and over again. And I'm pretty repetitive on how I like to do things, because I like to hit it and then just drive it home is very important. Very, very excited. Smash the like button, guys. If you're not subscribed to the channel, subscribe to the channel. So once on the video, hit the notification bell, and you'll know when I upload a video. Could not be more excited. As you know, I'm bubbling over. We're going to go through Prosperity People System. We're going to talk about this thing here, guys. This thing is absolutely incredible as to what you can do. The sky's the limit. The income that you can potentially make with this program is just the sky's the limit, period. I'll leave it like that. Income disclaimer. We're going to go with that. We're going to talk about 98 Unlimited for just a second, guys, and we'll go from there, gals. And also, when you get a chance, check out the new program that we're working with. Greg and Jose got me in this Wealth Step by Step. That thing is going to be an income generating miracle. This is what we're going to use on the back end for as residual income that we can build it to 5 figures within 1 year. As you know, I've been doing video, guys, for several years now. I am starting this new residual program, Wealth Step by Step. It's only $30 to get started, guys. If you join any of the other programs, get involved with this one also. This is one that you want on your belt. It's a residual program, $4 all the way down through 10 levels, guys. Watch this video I did yesterday, how to earn a 5-figure income with this program. And we're going to maybe potentially start conference calls. Spoke to Greg about it. We got a partner with Reverend Wilson. Reverend Wilson is recovering, but even in his recovery, Reverend Wilson is signing people up right now. That is exciting to me. So I'm very excited about what we've got going on. Check out the channel, guys, on the programs that we got. Unlimited 98, we got the Map Bot, we got the stamps, guys, and the direct mail programs. All of these programs are just incredible. The Mega Cash Machines, people are winning. The Cash Cow postcard. I'm not going to go through all of them for the sake of the video. What I am going to focus on today is Prosperity People System. We had a conference call last night. Oh, before I go to Prosperity People System, let me just show you real quick Unlimited 98. I'll put the link below the video for both of them, guys. This is a $98 to join program and $98 per month. Look at the people that are winning this program. You got Derek, Dan, Mary Beth, and we got Dr. Mike C and his wife, and they're just doing great things with this program, guys. I get payments every single day, multiple times a day with this program. One came in just at 8:15 this morning, a payment right here in my email. Right here, you received a payment right here. Hello, Timothy Thomas. And there's the payment right there received as from the time I am recording this video. So Unlimited 98, guys, is a great program. When you get a chance, check it out. You pay $98. It's $98 residual. Folks, you go sign up one person, you got your money back, and the program's paying for itself. You sign up 5, 10 people, guys, you've got $1,000 residual income. Residual income is where it's at. I've got a box of postcards coming, and I'm going to be mailing those postcards. We've got an autoresponder built in that will go out to your people. It's like 11 autoresponders that will, if people don't sign up the first time, well, the autoresponder is going to go out and convince people to sign up with you several times over. Like, I believe it's like 11 messages, guys. That's incredible. So very highly converting program. We've got proven mailing list. We've got a proven postcards in the back office. I've got several videos on it. I'll do another video in the near future on it, and we'll go from there. So very excited about this system. I get a payment, and sometimes 2 payments a day with this program. Today we're going to talk about Prosperity People System, guys. Would you like to receive payments, guys? I'm talking about $500, $1,500, $3,500, $7,500 payments in this program on a consistent basis. Folks, we're at the beginning of something so huge over the next few years. And I believe this program's got the ability to run for some years now. It could run for several more years, maybe 5, 10 more years. I don't know. That would be my prayer and my goal. But in the meanwhile, we've been doing a conference call for over a year now. And that conference call, it's converting people. I've got a proven postcard, guys, that other team members are getting from me. If you can mail that one post, people ask me all the time, Timothy, do I have to make videos to be successful this program? Absolutely not. If you can mail this postcard, I got a proven postcard. Well, your website will go on there, your 24/7 number. I'll show you how to set all that up. It's very easy to do. And the conference call right here. So when people get your postcard in the mail, they will sign up with you because you are the person that referred them to the program. People got integrity, and they will sign up with you because they got your postcard. People are getting this postcard. We're mailing it. People are receiving it in the mail. You now watching this video and receive a postcard from me. Go to the website, guys. Get all the information. Get informed to make an informed decision. You never have to sell. You never have to tell. You never have to explain. You never have to do a video. I've got several members that's mailing this postcard that are signing more people up than I am on a consistent basis. That's crazy. Paul, if you're watching the video, you're one of them. Paul D. Morris joined me in this program, and Paul's never made a YouTube video. But he's constantly bringing people into this program, mailing this proven postcard. Could not be more excited. Guys, when you go through it, go through the entire website. Watch this video. We've got a 48-hour action takers bonus that you can take advantage of. We may look at a little piece of that. Call this number, guys. Leave a message. And the way it works, guys, they'll usually call. You call them back and sign them up, period. When they leave a message, they already went through the video and they know what level they want to sign up. And guys, the sign up process is so easy. It's painless. Have you up and running in no time flat. I can even close sales for you. And if you partner with me, I can show you how to do that. A lot of times I close maybe 1 or 2 sales for people, and then people see how easy it is to do. And they're like, Tim, I got this. No problem. Folks, let's be realistic. We have a great program here with a great product. Now, let me show you. Let's go through the products here at the bottom. Sometimes we get so excited about the money. We've got some great real world products. The levels of participation are $500, $15, $35, $75, and $11,000 into this program. Now, when you join a higher level, you automatically get the lesser levels. Now, when you get you on the phone, guys, make sure that you're ready to go within 48 hours, because when you talk to us, we can upgrade you to the next level. Like if you want to join the 1,500, we can upgrade you to 35 within 48 hours. If you want to join at the 35, we can upgrade you to 75 within 48 hours of talking with us. There's a product level, guys, for the bronze product level, the $500 level. And here's all the products, guys. I'm not going to read all that. The Master Key System, the Crazy Money Plan. All these are downloadable digital products. You can print off on your computer and you can have in your hand. This is a silver product, guys. It's every product you're getting more. Every level you're getting more product. Here's what you get. Every level of the higher level, you automatically get the products of the lesser level. Look at the value, guys. $8,000 value. The gold product, $3,500 in payments on that level. And that's what you get with all that. That's about a $10,000 value. There's a value at the $7,500 level. Here's what you get. Look at that, guys. $11,000 product package, guys. And look at the value, almost $25,000. Look at the testimonials. Here are testimonials after testimonial after testimonial of what this program has done for people. and what it will potentially do for you. Folks, this thing has changed my life. I mail postcards consistently, and I bring in people in this program on a consistent basis. And I could not be more excited about what we've got going on with Prosperity People's system. And now, this time of year is go time. We are positioning ourselves to win. Right now, we are getting ready to go into the work from home boom, where back to home businesses literally begin to explode. Well, not literally, but you know, the volume picks up like crazy after July 15, and it's go time. I want you to get involved right now so that we can get you the proven postcards that will work. Oh, speaking of postcards, guys, here's another postcard that we're using for the new program, Wealth Step by Step. Oh, shameless plug for Wealth Step by Step. Greg sent me that, folks. We got 2 proven postcards. I'll show them to you. That's a different program. Let me set that aside. Y'all have to overlook me. I don't want to appear like I'm all over the place. But guys, I want you to win. I want you to win so big this year. It's go time. I want to help you to get $1,500 payments, $3,500 payments, depending on what level you want to come in. I want to see you win from every level. I want you successful in working home, your family, your life, mental thinkability, aspirations, your mood, your mindset, your goal setting. I want you to be well versed in every area of your life. And when you partner with me, you can get me on the phone, call me, and let's go through it. Let's talk about it. Let's get you on a plan for success and show you how to win. If I'm busy, guys, leave me a message. I'll call you back. We'll set an appointment time up, and I'm very accessible. Every now and then you will call and you won't get me, but I will call you back. If I don't call you that day, I'll call you the very next day, or just try me again. We will contact each other. Text me, and let's win together. It's very, very important. That's it for this video, guys. When you get a chance, go through this entire presentation, listen about the bonuses, and I'll go through that video on another video, and we'll go from there. All right, folks, that concludes this video. I want you to get signed up with Prosperity People System. I want you to sign up with any of these other programs, Unlimited 98 or Wealth Step by Step. Or any of these programs we got, all of them are working. I highly recommend, my #1 recommendation is Prosperity People System, and then go to these lower programs. Prosperity People System is that big ticket money where you're going to start getting those big ticket commissions up front. And then these back end programs is what's going to, help change our lives over the long term. We'll take this big fast money and put it in these lower programs and start building those beyond our wildest imagination, which we're already doing. And, the Millionaire Mailer, we'll talk about it in another video. We got a new launch of that thing. All right, guys, have a wonderful day. Bye for now, and see you at the top in the next video.